It never stops. The endless cycle of the urban life. Waste and debris keep coming. It's a battle fought by machines, and only the best machines win. Machines designed without compromise, precision built from the best components, meticulously assembled to help you win the war against litter, leaves, detritus, rubbish. Taking its place in the front line of the battle is the new V-Range sweeper from Johnston. It's a showcase for everything we've learned from over 60 years of sweeping experience to help you win. The V-Range of sweepers follows the Johnston philosophy to the letter. Greater productivity with lower cost of ownership, high performance with minimal environmental impact, ease of operator use with least downtime. It's what you demand, it's what the V-Range delivers. Matching engine power to the job with low fuel consumption and the least environmental impact is the goal. And Johnston achieved this with 3 options for powering, clearing operations. Auxiliary engines from JCB, powerful hydrostatic drive systems, or PTO-powered single-engine drive. Performance is tailored to the task with infinitely variable engine revs from 1200 RPM for low noise, suitable for most operations, up to 2000 RPM for heavily soiled areas and tougher jobs. But even at maximum revs, Johnston noise suppression keeps the sound power level to a minimum. Auxiliary engine speed and fan speed are controlled by Johnston's CAN bus system, providing feedback on engine revs, fuel consumption and service information, all of which can be downloaded onto a USB stick for later analysis or viewed via Johnston's SmartLink option. But it's here, at the business end, where Johnston really excels, with standard equipment and a range of options to match conditions. The shortest wheelbase in its class makes it easier to manoeuvre and extends its productivity. Standard vacuum nozzles more than deal with street rubbish and debris, with optional heavy-duty suction nozzles or combi-vac nozzles available if required. Johnston's rototilt brush arms scour camber curbsides and deep clean crevices. Main boom can be adjusted for road camber from the cab. Power thrust boosts pressure to the channel brushes in heavy waste and reduces pressure to reduced brush wear for regular sweeping. Power scrub boosts pressure to the main broom. The V-Range allows simultaneous sweeping, operating both suction boxes and channel brushes at the same time. Varredeira Brush provides infinitely variable positioning of the channel brush. The new V-Range sweeper gives the driver greater control of the nozzle aperture to maximise the airflow. Trailing brush arms have a kickback feature as standard, protecting both the sweeper and street furniture. To keep fine surfaces looking good, superwash chisel jets can be fitted behind the nozzle boxes and wide sweep brush. To enhance the jetting performance further, line cleaning jets allow the cleaning of the road lines. The V652 and 802 is fitted with a hopper bung which can be replaced with a filter, allowing the hopper to be filled with water, allowing the machine to be used as a street flusher. And all controlled with the press of a button, with key information fed back to the driver. The V-Range sweepers have been designed with the operator in mind. The Johnston joystick control, conveniently mounted on the near side door, provides the operator with all the functionality needed without them having to take their eyes from the road. The JVM control panel mounted on an adjustable arm allows each operator to tailor the controls to suit their preference and cab. Cup holders and USB charging points provide practical use of the JVM box. The optional Johnston camera system assists the operator when reversing, offside sweeping, and improves vision when making a near-side turn. A range of lighting options illuminate the brush gear, making sweeping and working at night easier. Beacon options make the sweeper more visible on highway applications. The radio-controlled pendant provides the ability for the operator to adjust the wide sweep brush and operate the tipping controls without being restricted by cables, checking the surroundings fully before tipping the hopper. Daily checks are completed through the CAN bus system. With the optional Preference Plus, additional features to aid the driver are added, slewing the wide sweep brush to the opposite side of vacuum, pausing the sweep gear when overload or out of water, and shutting the engine down in case of low fluid level. The longer the sweeper stays on station, the better return for your investment, and the V-Range can do more for longer. We achieve this by offering 3 large capacity hopper sizes. The greater onboard water storage, which when combined with Johnston's water recirculation systems, makes the water supply go further still. Mesh shakers allow the operator to loosen leaves without having to empty the hopper. The large 190-litre fuel tank allows longer between refills, and low fuel consumption, achieved through Johnston's Z-Drive gearbox, extends the shift life further. Additional 700-litre water or fuel tanks are also available to increase the sweeper's range before refills. The new V-Range sweeper does more when it's moving, and more when it's stationary. A range of tools extends the versatility of the machine and the productivity of the operator. Street furniture can be washed down with the 15-metre superwash hand lance, which can also be used to clean down the vehicle after use. A detergent tank can be added to improve cleaning power even more. The top-mounted wander hose empties gullies and drains or collects large items while the operator stays safe on the curbside. One vehicle doing the work of several. V-Range multitasking helps municipal authorities to achieve best value whilst reducing the environmental impact. The V-Range has been developed from years of listening to operators who placed productivity at the top of their list. So, we've engineered it not only to be reliable, but also easy to maintain. Engine packs are easy to access. Steel pipes replace flexible hoses where possible. Proximity switches replace micro switches. Inlet tubes manufactured from Core 10 steel reduce wear. Wear plates secured by welded brackets reduce service time, and the nozzle box is faster to set up with Johnston Easy Adjust. The V-Range features an automatic water purging system to prevent frost damage in winter. The hopper is manufactured from 4mm 4003 chrome-weld stainless steel with an optional chrome-weld cowl and polished steel plate to protect the paint from the wander hose. The stainless steel water tank built into the hopper provides near-perfect weight distribution in operation. All the sweeper's electronic, hydraulic and pneumatic controls and fault diagnostics are centralised in the system's locker with an LED work light to help diagnose faults at night, which is easier still with the JVM Canvas system. The V-Range comes as standard with an automatic engaging body prop and easy disengagement, so the operator never needs to work under an unsecured hopper. The rear door locking mechanism securely seals the hopper. The mesh screens feature a retention bracket, which secures them when the door is closed, and allows easy release to drop when the hopper door is open. A full-width stainless steel discharge chute with locking pin covers prevents debris spilling over the rear of the vehicle. The hopper floor is angled to allow waste to be discharged easily, making cleaning faster for the operator. With the optional Easy Clean system, debris and dirt can be cleaned from behind the inlet towers on the roof duct. The wide opening of the hopper door prevents damage if the operator moves forward after tipping. And with optional hand wash after tipping, the operator can be ready for the next route. When you consider all the facts, when you look at the total cost of ownership, when you compare performance, the V-Range is the obvious choice.